Hello, ceiling fan collectors. This is a ceiling fan at my grandmother's house. When I first saw this fan, it had a pull chain. And it took them off. Like before, it had no lights, and that's why this light was installed a long time ago when I was young. And it has a spotlight kit, and it's very powerful. It wobbles when it's on reverse speed on high, and also I test it. At first, let's go on high. It runs pretty good. And it moves a lot of air. And then let's turn on the light. And look at how nice the spotlight kit is. Let's turn the lights off and lights out. Hold on. Let me make sure it doesn't get too close. 2 lights on. Another 2 lights on. 4 lights on. And off. 2 lights on. Another 2 lights on. 4 lights on. And let's go on medium. Of course, oh, sorry. I need to turn on. Okay, first, when it's on medium speed, it starts making the clicking noise. And it runs pretty good. Doesn't make the humming noise. It's very powerful, isn't it? Oh, actually, sorry, that looks like it's on low speed. It's a medium. Medium speed. Usually on medium speed, like I said, it makes that clicking noise, but it doesn't really bother me. Wow. Runs pretty good. And let's start on low speed. Low speed. Wow. It looks so powerful when it's on low speed. It's like super fast. Let's see. Pretty good. Well, I don't know what brand this is, but it might be an unknown. And then